you have a piano. And you can see here we have not added s or es with a verb. So the example will be you play piano. If the subject is he, she, it, or any singular noun, we will use helping verb is or has. For example, he is a singer, she is a boxer, Ria is a tennis player, she has a piano, Tim has a robot, he has a 3D game. And here with he, she, it, or any singular noun, what we have to put here? We have to put here s or es with the verb. And the examples will be she sings very well. You can see here we have put here s with sing and it will be sings. He plays very well. It carries a lot of weight. He fits into this role. Tom loves chocolate. Now we will see some other examples also. First example is many people dash fond of pets. You can see here we have option of helping verbs is, am and are. But we will use here, dear students, you can see here many people, the subject is a plural. So what we will use with plural? We will use are with plural and it will be many people are fond of pets. Now, second example is dog, the most popular pet. You can see here we have singular subject which is dog. So what we will put, we will have our helping verb will be singular also. So it will be is. Dog is the most popular pet. Next example is we dash going for a track and the helping verbs are is or are. So you can see here subject, our subject is we and we is a plural. So what we will use? We will use plural helping verb also. So it will be we are going for a track. Dear students, I hope you all are understood the idea of subject verb agreement. So take care and Allah Hafiz.